Good morning. In this lecture series, we see about positions of the triangular pyramid with the base of HV. So last class we see about when triangular prism we are placing in a different conditions. In this class we discussing about triangular pyramid. Okay. So here we know that some basic terminologies. What are that we call it as? That is a base and the base corner, base edge and the axis. Okay, and also apex. So what is meaning of apex is also called as vertex. So the apex and vertex means all the corners get joining at one point, that is called as my apex or vertex. Okay. So let's see on the moving to the problem. Okay. So here I have to take four different types of cases. So the one is take the conditions of the solid can be placed in a position of HP. Okay. That is called as a horizontal plane. So here I have to take the four conditions. The first one is the base edge is parallel to VP and base edge is perpendicular to VP and base edge is inclined to VP and base edge equally inclined to VP. So these are the four different types of the cases when the solid can be placed in a different position. So while if you're asking the different conditions, they're asking in a problem. So you have to solving accordingly what types of conditions given your problem. Then only you have to proceed into next step of our problems. So first I have to take the example of base edge is parallel to VP. So here I have to take a triangular pyramid so that the triangular having a three side. Okay. So that is also called as base side or base edge. Both are same. Okay. Here I have to represent as base edge. Okay. It having a certain value is like a 25 mm. Okay. So I have to draw the any one of the base line or base edge or side is can be parallel to VP. So first of all, you have to proceed the XY line with a minimum distance of 10 mm. Okay. After that, from the 10 mm, you have to mark it from the reference line. Okay. So from the baseline, okay, you have to draw the what is the base value given in your problem. That's like I said that 25. So that I have to draw the 25. So here I have to take AC is a 25 mm length. After that, you are constructing the triangle. How to proceed the construct the triangle is you take the value of 25, you cut the arc from A and C. The both are getting meet at one point. It is called as my B point. Okay. So after proceeding the B point, you have to draw the horizontal line from the each corner of the that is the top view of the given solid. Okay. So once you are to proceeding the all the lines towards the XY line, you getting the some base length of the given solid. Okay. So here the AC is the base length of the given solid. Okay. So I have to proceed it. Okay. So here I have to take a name of A, B, C. It is called as a base of the given solid. Okay. So and also I have to represent O. From the O is the center of axis. Okay. So I have to proceed the front view. So while you have to construct the front view of the given solid, you draw the horizontal line from the each corner. It's like a is coming under A dash, C coming under C dash, B coming under B dash. Okay. Similar, the O can be proceeding to O dash. Okay. It having a certain height. They are mentioning the 50 mm or 60 mm or 70 mm, whatever. So we have to proceed the height value. That is the height of the given solid. Okay. So let's say take as a 60 mm. Let us assume. Okay. So first of all, I have to proceed that from the base. That is the center of the base. Here B dash is the center of the base. Both C, B dash and O is meeting at one point. So that I got to proceed the 60 mm line from the B dash. I mark it as a O dash. So then I got to draw the horizontal, I'll draw the, I have to join the O dash and A dash and O dash then C dash. Okay. So this is the front view of given solid according to the conditions of base edge is parallel to BP. So let's move on the second topic. What is the second? Here I have to discussing the base edge is perpendicular to VP. So always I said that is the three sides are there. These three base edges are there. You have to take any one side. Let's assume it is a BC is a perpendicular to VP. So once you have to proceed the XY line, you draw the perpendicular line from the XY line. Okay, you have to maintain the minimum level of 10 mm. So you have to proceed the BC. Then you have to construct the arc is the value of 25 mm. You cut the arc is meeting at A point. Okay, so you have to join the all the then you have to proceed the imaginary line towards the reference line is like A dash coming under A dash, A is coming under A dash, B and C is coming under B dash. Okay, B dash and the C dash. Then you have to join the center of point O. So let's move on to the XY line. From the XY line, you have to consider the height of the given solid. So what is the height value mentioned here? Here I have to take the 60 mm, mention the value of height, so that I have to consider the 60 mm is a mark it as a O dash. Once you have to come draw mark it as a O dash, you're joining the points A dash and B dash. Okay. So these are the conditions to draw the different positions of the solid. In this lecture series, we are discussing about the two conditions, how to construct the parallel to base edge is parallel to VP and base edge is perpendicular to VP. Let's discussing on other two conditions in this lecture series. Thank you.